Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is November 18th, 2023, and this is my weekly market review, where I'm reviewing S&P 500 on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is off educational purposes only. As we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading. So please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is actually suitable for you. All right, let's just jump over to the charts and see what we see. What do we see? We see this market is full on bull now. The thing is, can we break? And we did break 4,500. You hear that, guy? We did break 4,500. And now, can we make yearly highs? I don't know about all-time highs, that 4,800, that 4,818, but I definitely see us right now going to yearly highs and all. But let's zoom on in there and see what we can see and all, and wrap this on up. I need to clean things up a little bit here. Let me do this. This is that trend where the market was trending down on one of the lower time frames. We can see it. We can see that we have closed above that, and then we are going higher. With the SPY all year had got above pivot, and so you I kind of expected to stay above pivot. It did make a pretty good pullback here this quarter, and now it's making a pretty good run. But we're going to be running into a yearly R1 level. So that's why I'm saying we can get to this level here and maybe break this level and all. By the end of the year, I definitely see it happening. I want to extend this to activate, and I do want to extend this out a little bit like that. And I do want to remove these right here because they're no longer significant and all. But I can see this is going to be a tough area. But can we close above that area? That's going to be the question now. We have been in a good upward trend. We are forming a bullish looking pattern at near top though. This market kind of was just resting, I had said, and now it's ready to run. I am definitely looking forward to it making yearly highs. Will it make all-time highs? That's the question now. But let's go down to a monthly chart and see what we see there and see a little bit better, clearer picture and all. Yeah, as we see, we are having a very strong month this November. We had an R1 level, stops right where I expected to stop. That's why I use these pivots, and I do provide these for you where you can see them because these pivots are available to everyone. There's good strategies that you can use around pivots and trading with pivots. It's a couple other indicators that you probably could use, though, to help you out. You know, I don't throw those out there. I just throw some of the basic stuff out here that everybody should know about and all. And that's if we're on the monthly channel, on the monthly chart above 10, technically we believe we are bullish, and we are above that at this time. We are bullish. Stochastic is at the top again, so the market is at a top. I talk about candle patterns. We are forming somewhat of a candle pattern here. Again, one of those morning stars. You will be waiting for a confirmation candle based on how you trade, or you're already in there based on how you trade in your trading plan and your trading strategy. No trade recommendation, though. Again, like I say, I can see us definitely, you know, breaking this year's high. But how much are we going to be able to, when we start running into the supply above this level here, what will happen to this market? But I do see us turning around. I do see us going higher at this time. All right, zoom on here a little bit here on this weekly chart. On this weekly chart, what I see, this is, remember I was saw this on the other one, a resistance 2 level where this market stopped at this week. Again, you hear me repeat myself week after week with these pivots. Some of you are smart enough to know. No trade recommendation. Let me just stop right there. Again, if you will get with us here, like I told this one friend of mine, this trades that I do, and I had another guy. He was trading with me for a while, and he did really well until he started getting his position size too big. Because again, when these certain trades go bad on you, you have to do something right then. It lets you know if you're the decision maker or you are not a decision maker. And it's best just to keep your position small and all, and then it's a lot more easier to manage and all. No trade recommendations, just a little something about trading and all. And some of you may know what I'm talking about, and some of you don't. But This market does look like it's at this level here. It did get to that 4,500, and it went a little bit above 40. It actually closed above 4,500. So, and 4,600 is definitely not a good number for me, because I know that the SPY can move over 100 points within a week. As you can see, it moved close to 100 points this last week. What was this high and low? The high was 45.21. The low was 43. That's just, yeah, 43.90. So you can say 44 to 45. It moved over 100 points, in a week. So 4,600 is definitely, this yearly tops are definitely in reach. Next week, if we have a good Black Friday, week, leading into that, or the week after that, the first week of December. So this market, I'm definitely seeing it going higher. This stochastic is screaming to the upside. That alligator is getting ready to eat some bears up, So let's just look out to the upside. No trade recommendation. Anything can happen, but this is what I'm seeing right here on the chart right now. Just my way of expressing what I see. Okay, this week on the daily chart, let's go down here to the daily chart. On the daily chart, we had that crazy gap up on Tuesday and then this market just kind of slowly drift up. It was done. And it went to a resistance 3 level, as you can see here on these weekly pivots. Again, see how they slowed down at these pivots. A resistance 2 level wouldn't have been good, but you would have rolled out to a higher level, and you might have been okay based on how you roll out and how you manage your trades and all. But again, pivots are significant. Everybody has pivots. The big guys, believe it or not, they use pivots. A guy that I know, one of his services is to sell just pivot data, information that these guys could get there on their own, but I guess he provides a little bit something. He provides other history and other statistics to go along with it, maybe. I really don't know, but I should try to check him out, because I think he's here local now. I think he's actually here on Madura Beach now. So, but pivots are important, in my opinion. Something that you should actually take a look at them once a week, like I take a look at them. You may not have them on your chart, when you're trading, but they are good indicator. They are a decent indicator to have a price point for you to trade around. And that's all I really want to share here on the SPY. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys are having a great weekend. And I'll talk to you later. Have a good one. Bye.